everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
Hey, welcome to Slade on Slade. What are we doing today, buddy? We got the Goo-natomy Lab. Goo-natomy Lab. It's an alien. When he saw it in the store, he had to have it, and I'm like, you know what? We're at Ross. It's $5.99. Why not? Can't take it with you, right? And then you wanted to do your first video. Literally, I'm not kidding. He's been sitting out here for 10 minutes in this heat stroke type of weather. Show the people. Are we going to keep this for Christmas, though? Or are we going to open it today? Today?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I don't know. We got to go to the gym. Still got to get our workout on. We got to get those muscles on, huh? It's just going to be a quick video. But, hey, Ross has these. These are fun for kids. Just a little. And the best part is, when they're done playing with it, you can take that skeleton, throw it into a diorama, and wham, bam, alakazam. So, hey, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We got to get out of this. It's just too fucking hot out right now, man. This is too crazy. It's too humid.
Like, subscribe, don't be late. See you next time on Slade on Slade.